Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about the regulatory bodies. This will be the last video in this series of regulatory bodies. The first one is the Bar Council of India. It is a statutory body set up under the Advocates Act of 1961 to regulate and represent the Indian Bar Association. It lays down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates. It also promotes legal education and lays down the standard for legal education also. It recognizes law universities and the degrees awarded by these universities, in turn recognizing the people who are passed out from these universities. It also helps in the pro bono legal work, that is offering legal advice to the poor and needy. The Bar Council of India comprises of all the members from the state bar councils, while the Attorney General of India and the Solicitor General of India are the ex officio members of this council. The second body is the Financial Stability and the Development Council. It is not a statutory body, rather a body constituted by the Ministry of Finance to strengthen and institutionalize the mechanism of financial stability and the development. Its chairman is the Finance Minister, and it includes heads of all the financial regulators like the Reserve Bank of India, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, and the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It also includes the Finance Secretary, the Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs, Secretary in the Department of Financial Services, and also the Chief Economic Advisor. According to the latest notification given by the Finance Ministry, it also includes Secretary of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and also Chairman of the IBBI, that is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. It majorly deals with the financial stability and also the financial sector development. It performs the interregulatory coordination, which was not present until then, and also financial literacy and inclusion. It helps in the coordinating with international agencies like FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force, and also the Financial Stability Board under the IMF. While the FATF is organized by the OECD countries. The third body is the AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education. It was set up in the year 1945 as an advisory body, but later was given the statutory status in the year 1987. It grants approval for setting up of new technical institutions and starting new courses in these institutions. The universities also need to take approval from the AICTE in case they want to vary the intake capacity in a particular course. It not only performs a regulatory activity but also promotes technical education for women, handicapped and other weaker sections of the society, and also provides grant in aid for development and promoting research and development and innovation. Its jurisdiction includes diploma, UG and PG, that is undergraduate and postgraduate courses in the technical institutions covering engineering, pharmacy, architecture, hotel management, management studies and computer applications. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding regulatory bodies. Bar Council of India facilitates pro bono legal work by lawyers. Apex Council of the Financial Sector Development Council is a statutory body. The correct answer is A, one only. As I have just discussed, that Bar Council of India helps legal aid to the poorer sections of the society, while the Apex Council of the Financial Sector Development Council is an executive body and not a statutory body. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Thank you.